MF India is first time being hosted in Tamil Nadu by ACMEE, and Chennai is known for its automotive business as well as general industry and also known as Detroit of India. So we see there a lot of potential. Lasers can help in all the metal forming activities, and that's where for us to be at such an prestigious event is very important. So we have a very interesting history with Chennai. We got our first order 15 years back, which established us in this industry from AVT Leather, Chennai, and that we are always grateful for this city, which has helped us in establishing our company. With the help of that, we were able to sustain and remain in this particular market. We are looking for good automotive manufacturers where we can help them with the 3D laser cutting machine from Hans, which is our recent development. It's a landmark cooperation between Hans China and LTPL India to supply all kind of 3D laser cutting machines, tube cutting machines, special purpose machines, as well as 2D laser cutting machines. We are bringing now another products which are bending machines from GHBM. We are displaying with 3D controller. We are also displaying fully electric press brake there, as well as our automation products related to welding. Please visit us at MF India.